back on.
Okay, I got it.
You do really well. How's that for a plan?
Alright, there's a plan.
Better.
Come up here.
Alright.
Came up. Stay alive and stop crying.
You still have it? No, you're getting...
They nuked me! Fuck! They nuked me! I was so there! Okay, that's fine. We gotta keep moving. Oh shit, okay, that's right near their base. They're moving above the ground.
I got him!
Bad. They keep... Good, get it! I'm making a pass for you, I'm gonna try to. Keep jumping. There's a guy right there! I got him! He's dead! Oh, he's still alive! He's still alive! Oh!
No!
Somehow he lived through me swiping the crap out of him. I saw him too, but I was swinging like crazy at him. One more minute, guys. You gotta not let him get close.
Ah!
There's a roller rolling up behind you. Be careful.
Crap! Yeah!
Good shit.
I felt like I helped by distracting someone.
Now...
Like came in like waiting to shoot me, and they shot me, and that like made them not shoot the other guy. So I'm gonna say it.
We're still at 148 left on the map.
Oh really?
Yeah.
148 left?
What?
Ew.
Is it frozen?
No, I mean it's moving now. It stopped for a while.
5 and 8.
But yeah, look.
Oh, refresh the page.
Okay.
I took it down and brought it back up.
Yeah, I know, and it's done that, and now it's
Sorry, stop
buffering
it for.
and stuff. And I don't know what's up.
Okay.
It is, yeah, very laggy. Like I check it at the beginning for the sound, and then I don't really look again because it's confusing.
Right.
But
Do I need to kill it again and count to like 5?
I don't know.
Like, is it still doing after your crash?
We're here now. So.
Oh, that's perfect. That's great.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's always me. Oh no, it's Ant. Ant is ready. Do it.
Is everyone on chat? Can you? Well, I guess they can hear me. Can you check, make sure everyone can see it?
Well, now it's loading something.
Oh. Oh my gosh. That's such a good match.
I think I might need a new video card.
You think so? Why do you think that?
I think you do. I definitely do.
Because it processes a lot of the stuff.
Does it?
I thought it did. I'm pretty sure it
No
does.
idea. I don't think it does.
I need to do something.
Ball take us. We got to make Rex
Okay.
Funk happen. Wait, what?
It's on
No,
the countdown.
that's not happening.
It was at 31.
Hashtag Rex
Oh.
Funk.
Disconnect.
Like,
No, the DC's
Luke,
real.
start the match back up.
Okay. Bow squad! Oh! I don't know why I said it that way.
oh, LOL Sky, I'm not calling Felipe a name. I love Felipe.
Yay! We all love Felipe.
Wait, Wait, what?
LOL Sky loves you, Felipe.
No, I'm supposed to call
lovely.
Felipe a bad name,
Oh.
but with love. But I'm not doing it.
What's it start with?
A.
So you're gonna do it without love? Ouch.
It says A and a bunch of stars. 3 stars. And now LOL
You made him
Sky's
sad by not
sad.
calling him.
But I just don't want to call Felipe a name.
You can call me a name.
No.
Will that be okay?
Okay, booger face.
Ooh.
Too much. Gosh. Felipe's doing too well to be called a name.
Yeah.
My C minus.
Well, we're not looking at that.
But
You're
you
doing
made
well in your heart.
You made a Twitter account, and I'm happy with you.
Did someone just say combo breaker?
That's what it sounded like.
Thank Jordan. I keep forgetting about the
We broke our
sky.
losing combo.
Oh no! Sky says you made me sad. I
Oh
make him-
no!
It's okay, Sky still
Why do you have
texted
to
me.
upset our viewers.
I don't know, because I'm a bad person.
Gosh, you're the worst host.
It's because I hang out in an elementary school all day, and now I can't cuss anymore.
That's true. Oh, that dude's called Boomstick. He automatically wins.
Boomstick. Okay, good game, guys. Boomstick wins. Not his team, just Boomstick.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, same thing. I'm going down the blue.
2 rollers and a machine.
This means a lot of sneak attacks, so let's watch out for that.
Whoa! Wait, I didn't die.
What happened?
Coming in hot.
No! I tried to him down! Shoot!
Ah!
I fell in the water!
Good job! There's water!
I died, I don't know what killed. Oh, there's a Kraken that killed me.
This is when I'm looking at the theme screen.
Oh.
It doesn't matter as long as it's running smooth.
I guess that's true.
There you go.
Okay, I got a Kraken. I can run through.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, they talked
That's
that.
really not running
I need to refresh the page. I think it's just you.
Killed 2 of them. I think I killed all of them. Go for it. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. And keep moving. Hey. You really are jumping down there, don't you?
Dang it! I hate rollers! They're ninjas.
I think I'm gonna use a roller for this stage. Jesus Christ.
Rollers are good in these 2 stages.
The brush is really good for the last one.
Better than before, still a little, but a lot better. So.
Have the rain. They're going up.
Wow. That Rainmaker's no joke when it comes to shots.
Dang it, I was juking the Kraken and got hit by the Rainmaker.
Rollers, yeah. Okay.
They're in.
They're in.
They lost the Rainmaker.
Watch out for rollers.
Dibs! Never mind.
There are no dibs.
Stay above.
You get what you get.
Help me, I'm going above here. Give me a pass, give me a pass, give me a pass.
Go behind, go behind, go behind.
No! Stay back, stay back! Fall back!
Too late, I would've went up! There was a roller behind us anyway.
Okay, fair enough.
At least it's farther away from us. How do we not get any more distance while getting up there?
We took a longer path, I guess. Where is it? Crap, I died. Crap, I'm doing it!
So we're right there.
Go to the base, go! Go to the base.
Keep tracking.
I think they win. No.
We have a minute. They do not win. Jeez, he is going crazy with that thing. I told you Boomstick's good.
Ah!
I got another roller in there.
Oh my
Roller!
god!
He fell off! He
Oh,
fell
okay,
off!
he's a roller. Careful, don't just run up out there with the rollers. He's right there! You...
Glad someone else got the Rainmaker.
Oh my god,
I
help!
think I held him off.
There's still a guy over there with the roller. I need to go up there and get him off. Yeah, we need to
I
go.
got it.
We're jumping down, okay? Jump! Climb it up, climb it up, climb it up! Give me a pass, give me a pass!
Go, 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 go!
Oh!
Just get a little bit
No!
closer! Oh my god!
I know! It was not a pass!
We lost. One. No, 2 more points we would have won.
What?
Oh, I can't believe that. Oh, Boomstick. Why? Why do you have to be so
I told you,
hardcore?
Broomstick.
Man, I did so bad. Maybe I should switch guns. I
Well,
don't
you had
think
already declared Boomstick the winner, so...
That's true.
Oh darn. Okay, let's see.
What's
You
everyone
switched to a
doing?
roller? I thought I was switched to a roller.
You switch to a roller. I'll be... Aerospray.
Oh, that was close as heck. That was so close.
I know. What you thinking of that, man?
No idea.
We got a roller.
I'm gonna get a Splatter Shot Junior.
Wee. Well, no, these aren't good sniper levels. Yeah, it's fire shots. There we go.
Any idea how late the tournament will go tomorrow? Rex?
Well, it's definitely gonna be 5 to like probably at least an hour, like 2 or 3 hours.
Okay.
Because even if I don't do too good in the tournament, there's a losers bracket and there's
Okay.
I'll just be streaming some KI afterwards.
Nice.
Get me on the calendar.
Oh, good.
Also, starting Friday, I'm gonna start trying to hype up some Metal Gear Phantom Pain because I can't wait till that shit comes out.
Oh, it's coming
So I'm
out.
gonna start by having yeah, it's coming out at the start of next month.
Oh my god, that's gonna be great.
I'm laying down a satellite on the bottom, on the top, on the left side.
Fall back, they got it, they got it. Go, go, go.
Holy crap! Hey, how did they get caught by
Fucking
that?
They flanked us.
I know,
Why?
they just flanked. We need. No one went on the left side. We need to tighten that out. Wow, they just Sonic Boom. They went. They Sonic Boomed the fucking spot.
They went.
What? Oh, these assholes. They went up to the base and touched it. Wow.
Oh my god.
We barely left our base.
Damn.
I think I lost
Wow.
my C++. If I didn't, I should have. Oh my gosh, JD is the best at 0 and 2.
Here's the plan on that map.
What a shame.
One person on left, we split left and right. Because I think we left the left side wide open. That's where that guy came from, murdered me while I was putting up a satellite.
Yeah. Crap.
Whoa, why did you do that?
Back to the nozzle nose. Playing the game.
The Google Calendar had some ambitions for Rex on that
Did it?
Metal Gear Ground Zero. It had him.
Huh?
No, not Ground Zero, Phantom Pain.
Man,
Do you know about Metal Gear Ground Zero?
Phantom Pain's would be awesome.
it says I just copied it from the post.
Oh.
11 to the 21st.
Oh, is he gonna be playing?
Metal Gear Ground Zero to build hype for Phantom Pain.
Oh, I misunderstood.
Yeah.
Oh, that's for the group to let y'all know my schedule.
Yeah, I know.
before
I'm
post
putting it on the
up.
calendar
Everybody
though. That's all.
know. Oh, okay.
Putting it on the calendar.
That's very cool. That's a good game. Have you played Ground Zero yet?
Yeah, I played through the whole thing already. I'm gonna have Dusty play through it because I played on Xbox One and on PS4 I don't have it yet. I won't get any of the special features and stuff to get to playing the game. So he's gonna do a whole playthrough, hype everybody up, while giving me the data at the same time.
Yeah.
The calendar misunderstood what I was typing and decided he was going to play it for 3 days straight. So I don't think that works.
I remember how to do that.
I made a path over here. Go, go, go.
Go down.
Right here. Clear path. I just killed the guy. Killing everyone. Go, go. I'm not letting him out of the base. I'm not letting him out of the base. Just go. Just go and win. Win for everyone.
Win! We won!
Wow, holy
Ninja that crap!
Look at the map! Look at all that paint!
Just
Yeah, I want to paint it all along the side.
then we just straight line. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom.
This
God!
game could go so dang fast. It's ridiculous. Do 20 points plus. We needed that.
I know. They said,
I got an ability!
oh my gosh. Oh, that's
Me
not
too.
bad. I forgot what that does.
I do too. I'm gonna check.
Pardon me. That was.
Special duration up!
Ooh, that's good. What's your? Oh yeah. That'd be really nice to have a full like special, faster special and special duration up loadout with that gun. Man, yeah, special duration up helmet. Ooh, ooh, it was so good.
Yeah, there's something wrong with the stream.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Oh no.
Can you see if we're dropping frames or anything?
Ugh.
I think it's because the stream's been going on for too long. You might have
No.
just restart the stream.
All right.
We did?